Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlord, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Wena, you have no idea how I feel right now. May the good Lord do you well. But let us continue. Uthando Nes'Thembu is back with a bang. Uthando Nes'Thembu is back with a bang. Can I start with MaKhumalo's house? Guys, yeah, no. MaKhumalo is the wife that she thinks she is. Like, girl said, I have style and I'm gonna bring that style to my house. I'm not going to live in Mzumbe and make it a normal Mzumbe house. I'm going to bring Senten inside Pakatukaka Mzumbe. And the house is beautiful. The house is beautiful. Like, everything I loved, DJ. I was like, yeah, Ugel must copy, Ugel must win lotto and copy everything that MaKhumalo has done. Now, it's been a while. According to MaKhumalo, the last time they had met, it was before her traditional wedding ceremony. Now, this was the first day all the wives meeting in one table, and it was tense and awkward because as Magwabe was entering, the other ladies laughed and she thought they were laughing at her. So now we all know Guti Magwabe does not let things slide very easy. And I'm hoping that she won't hold a grudge for this one. But MaCele decided to address indaba kaSibindi ukuthi uSibindi has umntwana being umhlophekazi and another child with a girlfriend and the third one coming on the way, and he was very proud of uSibindi. Listen to MaCele's comment. I know my lane and I'm going to keep to my lane. MaCele Luna, like I don't know. I can't explain. MaCele is in a polygamy marriage, but she still believes Uguti this is her husband and she did not steal anyone's man. Even though we know Uguti Umayeni was the first one to be located in the whole thing. But with that said, Isthembu means ukuthi wena fully fleshed, you are in agreement. So why these tlakings? Because I know for a fact that I have a kind heart, I am loving, I am respectful, I am humbled, even though I am crazy. But one thing I cannot stand, or I will not be able to stand, is Thembu shame. Buza ukuthi why? Buza ukuthi why? Because manje ngizoba umamkhulu and I'll be expected to do things that are outside my will. Simply because of ngumamkhulu. Akuyekweni bazalwane. Akuyekwe umuntu ahlale asingili azibone. Aye kuNkulunkulu sekavalekile. Akusizi, because there's no other way. Because you can see ukuthi these women are not healing. They're just not healing. But a teaser was dropped and it seems like it's going to be lit. More especially between MaCele and MaCele. So we are going to be tuning in and we are going to be updating you and we are going to deliver on time, God willing. We're not going to be till late like today. But thank you for watching. This is your girl Disebo. I love you. Peace. Bye.